Welcome to my channel. My name is Tiana and the name of my channel is Opulent Allure by Tiana. Welcome guys, and today I will be doing a video on how I got this look. I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest with you. This is my first official YouTube video. My first video was where I interviewed my 6-year-old daughter, and that was hilarious, so you should go check that out. But this is my first official video with me talking, so bear with me guys. I am a bit nervous. Now I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and for those who are watching, if you haven't subscribed as yet, you know exactly what to do. I received this hair from Ted Hair Company. It is a 12-inch transparent lace, as y'all can see, transparent lace unit. It's a water wave. That's the curl pattern that's on the hair, and the density is 180. Now let me tell you this, I did not bleach the knots on this hair, and I'm telling you, I am impressed with this hair. I must say, Ted Hair Company, they got their thing going on, because normally I would have to bleach the knots on any unit that I install, and I did not have to bleach the knots. I did go in with some makeup and put right here, but it was not a lot, and y'all can see. Let me give y'all a close-up right there. So yeah, the curl, I did this here about 5 hours ago, and then I went out, and now I'm back doing this video. So y'all can see the hold up is very good. It did not move, so stay tuned. I will be sharing a lot of tips and tricks in the tutorial to get this fabulous look. So stay tuned you guys, and thank you guys for watching. And let's get into this tutorial. So this is the water wave transparent lace wig from Ted Hair Company. As you can see, it's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. I am turning it inside out, where you can see the parting space that you have, 13x6. It comes with 3 combs in the back, and also it comes with an adjustable strap so you can adjust it to your liking. Now the hairline comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to do any plucking, and it is transparent lace, so look how that lace blends in with my skin. As for the knots are already bleached. If you want, you can still go in and bleach them just a little bit, but they are pretty transparent. The hair is 180% density, and it can fit all head size. Here is the unit on my mannequin head. I am now going in with my hot comb, and I am flattening out the roots. I'll be wearing this wig with a center part, so I like when my roots are very flat. This is a personal preference. You do not have to do this. I am then gonna go in with my tweezer, and I am gonna just pluck some of the hair to give my part a more defined look. So I'll pluck until I can see the part. Look at that part, honey. Yes. So I am now going in with my mousse from my hairline, and I'll be applying that all over the part and around the front area to make and mold my baby hairs. Now mousse can never be too much. I use a lot because I love when my hair is on flat. Here I am making my baby hair, and I'm just swooping them. I'm just making it in a letter C. That's how I analyze it. And I love my baby hair for my curly unit. Again, that's a personal preference. Now this is the finished look of the hair. I am now going to use water and just damp the hair so it can define my curls a bit more. So yes, this is my natural hair. I have really short hair because I was once rocking a pixie cut. So as for me, I really do not have to braid my hair since my hair is already permed. I just apply my stocking cap, and I'm not gonna do a ball cap method today. I'm just doing it really simple. I'm just putting on the cap, slicking back my hair, make sure all my hair is back and covered with the cap, just using my comb to secure all those little ruffles that wants to pop out. This is a simple installation method. I'll be using my Got2b free spray and my Got2b gel to apply this wig. This is the unit. After it's a little bit dried, I am now gonna apply it to my head. Isn't that beautiful? Like, look on those baby hair, look at those curls. It's so defined. You go ahead, Ted Hair Company. Yes, girl, get it. So I am putting the hair on my head. Look at that. Voila. Now, the hair already fits me. I must say I am impressed. Look at those curls. I'm just setting it on my head so I know exactly where I'm gonna glue it down. If you look on that lace, it melts in my skin, and that makes it even easier for people to detect that I have on a lace unit. So here goes. I use two slide pins to take the hair out of my face so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And before you even think of gluing your hair, make sure that it sits on your head. It's in the position that you want it to be in, and then you can go ahead and cut your lace off. Now for me, it's easier to cut my lace in different sections, the front and the two sides, and then just go ahead. Now ensure when you are cutting your lace away from the wig, you cut it in a zigzag motion. So in out, in out. Do not cut it straight down, or else, sister, you are gonna look so ugly. So make sure you cut it in a zigzag motion, and that will make it look more natural. Now let's get into this lace for a minute. Now I have the lace on my hand, and as you can see, you can hardly see it. That's what the transparent lace does. So yes, kudos to you, Ted Hair. Now I'm going to use some alcohol on some cotton to wipe away the area where I am going to be putting the Got2b spray. Now I am pulling over the wig on my head. Now, as for me, I have a very huge forehead. It is very evident. So I am very particular in where I place the lace on my forehead. Because I'm not doing the ball cap method, I have to ensure that my cap is pulled all the way to the front. So I secure my natural hair from the Got2b, even though it does not harm the hair, to be honest with you. But I pull it all the way to the front, and then I pull my wig down on it, put it in place, and just look to see where exactly I want to place it, because as I said, sis, I have a huge forehead, so I am very particular on where my wig goes on my head. Now you're going to take your Got2b, and I spray it in the middle first so that I keep that area in place, and then I go from left to right or in either direction. So I put it in the middle first. Here I am using my rat tail comb to press in the glue on the forehead, and I'm just combing it in so that it stays in place. Apply more Got2b to the edges, and now I'm just using my rat tail comb to do the magic. Comb that in so it is secured and there's no lump of hair at the edge. I'm using my blow dryer on cool air to give it extra security, and just comb that baby in. Look at that, what lace! I did the other side off camera. Now take a look at this perfection. My lace is well secured. I'm brushing the hair back, and this is truly a 13 by 6 lace frontal because I did not have to cut away anything from the ears. I'm sectioning a part of the hair so that I can do my baby hair. Now, as I said earlier, this is a personal preference for me. I love my baby hair with curly hair units. So you do not have to do this part. You can omit this part, but it's a personal preference for me. I'll be doing full tutorials on how I get my baby hairs to be looking natural, the plucking, and everything. So stay tuned for that. So just take a look at this on how I create these marvelous baby hair. Yes, Tiana, baby hair slayed to the gods. Yeah, so I did the other side off camera. I am now gonna use my headband and I am gonna tie down those edges, tie around my hairline, leave it for about, it depends on the time that you have. Some people sleep with it. I just leave it for like 20 minutes and I'm just gonna leave that so I can further melt the lace in that hairline and then stick around for the finale. Here goes. So I am taking off my headband and look at that. Yes, I don't know if it's just me, but when I secure my lace and I do a good lace wig, it gives me that feeling of, yes, sis, that is secured. So I am now going to use some water and I am going to wet the hair up, style it, and be right back with you guys. It all depends on how wet you want your hair to look for what kind of style you're going for. So it is always better with water. Now I'm going in again with my hot comb and I am just pressing out the middle of that hair. Now that it's on my head and I see exactly how it looks on me, I'm just flattening that little part some more. It is hot. So be careful with that. I'm just going to flatten it some more and then I'm just going to use the comb to comb the hair out so you can see how beautiful these curls are. am using some MAC face powder just to conceal the front part. This part is actually very optional. You do not have to do this. It's a personal preference again, but I like to go in, especially if I have not bleached the knots on a unit. I like to go in. You really can't see the knots, but hey, my senses are telling me that, girl, you better conceal that thing. So yeah, I love my wig. Good job, Ted here. Hey, voila! Who is that? Yes, sis. This is me in the unit, y'all, with my makeup done, and I am loving this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have learned a lot, and remember to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I know it was very informative and it was a fun unit to install. It was pretty easy. So the good thing about this video is that it is beginner friendly. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video. I will see you guys in my next video. If y'all have any comments, please leave them in the box below. Until next time, take care, be safe, be blessed.